Making quick decisions can be helpful in certain situations, but it is important to keep in mind that not all problems can be solved in minutes. However, here are some tips on how to make up your mind to be able to solve problems more efficiently. Define the problem. Clearly define the problem you are trying to solve. Identify the key issues and determine what you are trying to achieve. Gather information. Gather as much information as possible about the problem. This can include talking to others who have experienced similar situations, doing research, or seeking advice from experts. Analyze the information. Analyze the information you have gathered and consider different options and solutions. Evaluate the options. Evaluate each option based on its feasibility, potential risks, benefits, and potential outcomes. Make a decision. Once you have evaluated the options, make a decision. Consider both short-term and long-term consequences, and be willing to adapt if necessary. Take action. Once you have made a decision, take action. Implement your plan and be prepared to adjust your approach if necessary. Reflect and learn. After the problem has been solved, take some time to reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. Use this knowledge to help you make decisions more efficiently in the future. Remember, not all problems can be solved quickly, and some require more time and consideration. However, following these steps can help you make more informed and efficient decisions when faced with a problem. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to never stop learning. Thank you.